Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer assets from MetaMask to Binance. First, open your Binance account and navigate to the deposit section. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, for example, Ethereum. Binance will provide you with a unique deposit address for that specific coin. Copy this address carefully, as any error could result in lost funds. This initial step is crucial for a successful transaction. Now, with your Binance deposit address copied, open your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you are on the correct network, such as Ethereum mainnet, if you are sending an ERC20 token. Click on the Send button within MetaMask. Paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Double-check that the address matches exactly what you copied from Binance to prevent any mistakes. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. MetaMask will display the estimated gas fees for the transaction. Review these fees carefully, as they can vary based on network congestion. Confirm all the details: the recipient address, the amount, and the gas fees. Once you are satisfied, click Confirm to initiate the transfer. The transaction will then be broadcast to the blockchain. After confirming the transaction in MetaMask, you can track its progress using a blockchain explorer with your transaction hash. Typically, deposits to Binance take a few minutes, depending on network activity. Once confirmed on the blockchain, your funds will appear in your Binance Spot wallet. Remember to check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. This process ensures your assets move securely and efficiently between your MetaMask wallet and Binance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.